Hi friends, welcome again in the channel SJP Education Hub, E2B Educational Channel. Myself Gaurav Pawar. Today I am going to teach you Math Standard 7, Chapter number 3, SCF and LCM, Maharashtra Board, Practice set number 14. Before going to the practice set, we are first take the lecture of this session, practice set number 14, the use of LCM and SCF. Before going to the lecture, I want to request you, all of you guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos and like and share this video to your friends and relatives so they also get benefit from this video, this knowledge. Let's go on the topic. Use of LCM and SCF. As we have learned in previous practice set 11, 12 and 13, how to find out the LCM and SCF of given numbers with vertical arrangement. In previous standard, standard number 6, we have already learned how to find out LCM and SCF with the horizontal method. And in this standard, we have already learned in previous chapter how to find out the LCM and SCF with vertical arrangement method. Okay, now we are going to learn use of LCM and SCF. Okay, here I have some examples for this. First example is word problem. There is a shop, shells, jam bottle 450 gram for 96 rupees and 600 gram for 124 rupees. Okay, which is more profitable to buy? Find out. With the regular method, we will do the division. We divide both values, gram values, with the price and find out the 1 gram price, and then compare both price and find out which is profitable to buy. But in this set, we are going to find out with the help of SCF. Just find out the SCF of 450 and 600. 450 is equal to 150 into 3 and 600 is equal to 150 into 4. So SCF of is 150 is 150. Okay, now 96 upon 3 is equal to 32 and 124 upon 4 is equal to 31. Means 150 gram in 96 rupees bottle have 32 rupees, means 150 grams, and in 60 gram 1 rupees benefit is there, 32 and 31. Okay, 1 rupees benefit for 150 rupees. Then for 600 gram there is 4 rupees benefit. 150 gram is equal to 1 rupees, 60 gram is equal to 4 rupees. The profitable is 60 gram. Okay, now is it not a simple process to find out which is profitable? Now second example is add 728 plus 1135. In regular method, we are cross multiplication doing. We are going to doing cross multiplication. 17 into 35 plus 11 into 28 upon 28 into 35. The whole answer is 903 upon 980 is equal to 129 upon 140. Okay, there is lot of multiplication and additions and then divisions also. but with the help of LCM of 28 and 35. Find out just 28 and 35. 7 4 za, 7 5 za. LCM is 7 into 4 into 5. What is the LCM? 140. Okay, now put this value in figure. 7 28 plus 11 35 equal to 7 into 5 and 28 into 5 plus 11 into 4 and 35 into 4. As usual, both values are 140 and above value is 75 70 into 5 90 85 and plus 44. Okay, the answer is 129 upon 140. Okay, this is the easiest method to solve this type of sums. Okay, now third we are going to third example to solve. Third example is a different type of example. There is a number, the number divided by 8, 10, 12 and 14. The always remainder is always a 3. Find out the number. Okay, here we need to find out the LCM of this number. 8, 10, 12 and 14 all are even numbers. So with 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 6s and 2 7s are. Now LCM of all four numbers can be divided by any other number. So this is SCF. Now for LCM we are going to divide more. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 5 7. Now these four numbers can't be divided by any other number. So we are going to take out the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 and 1 time 3, 1 time 5 also and 1 time 7. The answer is already 840. For find out the number, the formula is there. The number equal to LCM plus remainder. Okay, then LCM is 840 plus 3 is equal to 843 is that number. Okay, is this not simple? With the help of LCM and SCF, there are so many things we could solve in math. Okay, now the fourth number example is there. There are three friends, Shreyas, Shalak and Snail start running from the same point on a circular track at the same time and complete one lap of a trap in 16, 24 and 18 minutes respectively. So what is the shortest period of time in which they all reach the starting point together? Okay, this is the question. Now one lap of track is 16, 24 and 18. 24 and 18. LCM, just find out the LCM. 16, 24 and 18. Okay, all three numbers are even numbers. So 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 9s are. Okay, now 2 4s are 2 6s are. 9 is remain same. Then 2 2s are and 2 3s are. 9 is remain same. 2 1s are 3 and 9. Here the remainder is 1. Now 3 1 is remain here 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 4 time 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 time 3 2 time 3 into 3. The LCM is 144. minutes. So all of these three guys will came together on in 4 minutes. Okay, means 2 hours and 24 minutes. This is the answer. Now we are going to solve the practice set number 14. In practice set number 14, there are 9 main questions, in which 3 are sub questions, and other 4 to 9 questions are word problems. Okay. Now first question is question number first. Choose the right option. Choose the right option. Okay. There are two questions. Number one is SCF of 120 and 150. 43 is 120 and 45 is sorry 33 is 34 is 120 and 35 is 150. So there are options. One is 30, this is the answer. Second is 45, and third is 20, and fourth is 120. So answer is 30. 34 is 120, 35 is 150. 4 and 5. So answer is SCF is 30, because 30 is common factor of both numbers. Okay. Now second number is SCF pair not equal to 1. Find out the SCF pair not equal to 1. Options are number 1, 13 and 70. This is not, because 13, 17 is both are prime numbers, so their SCF is always no prime factor, so SCF is 1. So this is not the answer. Second is 29 and 20. 29 is a prime number, so this also common factors, so this have SCF 1. Okay, this option have example. Answer is not answer. Okay. Third is 40 20. 40 20, this is the answer, because both values have common factors more than 2. Okay, more than 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, third number is the answer. This is the answer. And fourth number is 40 50. 40 50. Two consecutive natural numbers are, okay, pair co-prime number. So this is not answer. Answer is third number option, 40 20. 40 20. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is find out. Question number 2 is find the SCF and LCM. 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 There are 5 questions, sub questions. One is, first is 14 and 28. 14 to the 28. 14 to the 28. So SCF is 14 and LCM is 28. Remember that when their given number are 2 and bigger number is multiple of smaller number, then smaller number is SCF and bigger number is LCM. Okay. Now second number question, 32 16. 16 to the 36. So SCF is 16 and LCM is 32. Okay. Now third number is 17 102 102 and 170. Both all three numbers come in 17 table. So 17 102 170. 17 ones are 17, 17 6 and 70 10. Now LCM is SCF is 70, because 17 is a common factor of all three given numbers. Now for LCM we are going to divide more. 1 is remain 1, 2 3s are 2 5s are. Now 3 and 5 are prime numbers, so LCM is 17 into 2 into 3. Answer is 17 to the 30. 17 into 2 into 3 into 5, sorry, into 5, 3 into 5. Okay, answer is 510, 510. LCM is 510. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. 2369, 2369. 23 3s are 69. So SCF is 23 and LCM is 69. Okay. Now fifth number, multiple of 23. 69 is a multiple of 23. 21, 49, 84. 21, 49 and 84. All three numbers can be divided by 7. All three numbers can be divided by 7. 7 3s are, 7 7s are, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are. Okay. SCF is 7. Now 7 is a prime number here, so 7 can't be divided by any other number but 3. 3 1s are 3, 7 remains same, and 3 4s are. Okay. Now LCM is 7 into 7 into 3 into 4, 2 times 7, and 3 one time and 4 one time. The answer is 588. 588. 588. 500 multiple of this 4 number is 588. So guys, in question now we are going to solve question number 3. In question number 3, find only LCM. Okay, there are 5 questions, sub question. Question number 1, 36 42, 36 42. Now both are even number, so with the 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the 6, 16. Okay, 2 2 the 2 1 the 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the. Now these both number can be divided by 3, 3 6 the 3 7 the. Okay. LCM is 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. Okay. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 6, 36 into 7. 7 6 are 42, 7 3 are 7 3 are 21 and 4, 25. Answer is 252. LCM is 252. Second number, 15 25 30. 15 25 13. 15 25 30. Sorry, 30. 15 25 30. 50 25 30. Okay. With the more easiest way, 5 3s are 5 5s are and 5 6s are. Okay. Now with 3 3 1s are, 5 is remain there, and 5 3 2s are. Now LCM is 5 2 time, 5 into 5, 3 1 time and 2 1 time. Okay. 5 3s are 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, 150. LCM is 150. Okay, LCM is 150. Now second number, third number question, 18 42 48. Third number, 18 42 48. 18 42 48. 18 42 48. All three numbers are even numbers, so 14 2 48. 18. 2 9s are, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Okay, all three comes in 3 number, 3 3s are 3 7s are 3 8s are. Okay. 3 and 7 prime numbers, so LCM is 3 2 time, 2 1 time, 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 8. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 56, 18 into 56. LCM is 1008. LCM is 1008. Multiplication of 18 and 56. 18 and 18 into 56. Okay. Now fourth number is 4 12 20. 4 12 20. 4 12 20. 4 12 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 2 10s are 2 1s are 2, 3 5. 3 and 5 prime number, so LCM is 2 2 time, 3 1 time, and 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 16, 60. LCM is 60. LCM is 60. Okay. Now find number, last number question of this question. Fifth number, 24, 40, comma 40, 80, 80 and 120. Okay. Four given numbers are there. 24, 40, 80 and 120. Okay. All are even numbers. So start with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 20, 40 and 60. Now with also 2, 6, 10, 20, 30. With 2, 3, 5, 10 and 15. Now with 3, 3 ones are 5 remains, 10 remains, and 3 5s are 50. Okay. Now with 5, 1 is remain 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5. Now 2, how many times 2? 1 2 3 5 times 2, 4 times 2, sorry. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times 2. Okay. And 3 1 time, 1 time 3, and 5 1 time, 5 is 1 time. So LCM is 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 8 twos are 16, 16 fives are 80, 18 80 into 3. So LCM is 8 3s are 24, 240. LCM is 240. LCM is 240. Now we are going to solve question number 4 to 9, which are word problems. Find the smallest number when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20 gives the remainder 5 every time. Okay. The number divided by 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. Remainder 5. Find the number. Find that smallest number. Okay. Find that smallest number. Okay. First LCM of this number. These all numbers. 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. Okay. First get the with the 2. 2 4s are 9 is remain same. 2 5s are 15 is remain same, and 2 10s are. Okay. Now with the also 2 2s are 9 remains same, 5 remains same, 15 remains same, 5 is here. Okay. Now 2 1s are 9, 5, 15 and 5 remains same. Okay. Now with the help of 3, 1 is remain here, 3 3s are, okay, 5 is remain same, 3 5s are 15, okay, 5 is remain same. Okay. Now also 3 1s are, 1 is here remain, 1 is here, 5 remains 5 5. Okay. Now with 5, 1 1 1. Okay. Now LCM is 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2, and 3 2 time, and 5 1 time. Okay. LCM is 3 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 8 3s are 24, and 5 3s are 15. Okay. 15 4s are 60, 15 4s are 60, 6 15 2s are 30, 30 360, and LCM is 360. LCM is 360. What is the formula? The number equal to LCM plus remainder. Okay. LCM is 360 plus 5. Answer is 360. 5. Answer is 365. The number is 365. The number is smallest number is 365. Okay. Now next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is reduce the fraction. Reduce the fraction. Okay, there are three fractions which fractions. One is 348 upon 319 equal to with the help of 29 into 12, 29 into 11. Okay, 29 into 12, 29 into, so 29 cancel, 12 upon 11 is the answer. Okay, now second number is 221 upon 247. Answer is 30 upon 70, 30 upon 90. 13 upon 17, 13 upon 19. So 13 cancel, 17 upon 19. Okay, is the answer of second fraction. Third number fraction is 437 upon 551. Answer is 90 into 23, 19 into 29. Answer is 19 into 23, 19 into 29, 19 cancel, 23 upon 29 is the answer. Okay, this is the fifth number question. Now sixth number question is the LCM and SCF of two numbers are, LCM is 432 and SCF is 72. Okay, and one number is 216. Other number, find the other number. Okay, other number. Okay, formula, there is two number, one is 216 and their LCM is 432 and SCF is 72. Find the other number. Okay, now our formula is LCM into SCF equal to product of given numbers. Okay, LCM and 432 into 72 equal to 216 and the number. Okay, and the number. Okay, the multiplication of 432 and 722 is 3110. 216 into other number, n is number is equal to then 3116 upon 216. Answer is 144. There is short time for us, so I already solved it, and just do the division here. Just do here multiplication. You have the answer 3110. 3110 about 216. Answer is 144. The other number is 144. Okay. Now question number 7th. Question number 7th is there also. Question number 7. The product of two digit number is, the product of two digit number, product of two digit two number is 765. SCF is 3. Find LCM. Okay, formula is LCM into SCF is equal to product of given number. Okay, product of given numbers. Okay, we have product of given numbers, so put the value. What is the 765? We have SCF 3 into LCM. Okay, now LCM is equal to, then LCM is equal to 765 upon 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 50, 3 5s are 50. LCM is 255. LCM is 255. Now we are going to question number 8 and 9. Question number 9 is a trader has 3 bundle of string, 392 meter, second is 308 meter, and third is 490 meter. Okay, what is the greatest length of string that the bundle can be cut up into without any leftover? Okay, here we can use SCF. Okay, SCF of 392, 308 and 490. Okay, 392, 308, 490. Okay, all three numbers are even numbers, so start with 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 18, and 3 6s are 12. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 10, 3 4s are 3 2s are 3 4s are 8, 3 5s are. Okay, now with the help of 7, how? With the help of 7, not 3, because the test of numbers. First read, there is video in our channel, test of numbers, test of 2 numbers, test of 3 numbers, all 3 to 11 number, 12 number test. This will help us find out which number is going to divide the given number. Okay, the test of 7 is pass here, so test of 7 is here. 7 to the 14, remain 5, 7 8 is the 16, 56, 7 8 is the 56. Okay, now 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14. Now 7 3 is the 21, and 7 5 is the 35. Now these three number can't be divided by any other same number, so SCF is 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, 7 into 2 14. So the 14 meter cut, the 14 meter piece of cut is the greatest to which is cut up 14 meter cut without any leftover, for 3 bundles. All 3 bundles can be cut into 14 meter cut. Okay, 14 meter length. Now question number 9, and most important question is this 9 number. Two consecutive even number have LCM of 180. Okay, which two consecutive even number? Even number means difference is 2. So number x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay, and LCM is 180. So x into x minus 2 is equal to 2 into 80. Why 2? Because both numbers are LCM 180. Okay, so x to the x square minus 2x equal to 360, x square minus 2x minus 360 is equal to 0. Now find the two number which product is minus 360 and sum is minus 2. Minus 360, there is product I already find it out. 20 plus 80, minus 20 plus 80 is equal to minus 2. Both multiplication is in minus, which is 360. Okay, so put the value beside here, minus 2x. X square minus 20x plus 80x, okay, minus 36 360 is equal to 0. Okay, x square, x is equal x in x minus 20, okay, plus 80 x minus 20 is equal to 0, means x minus 20 equal to 0 or x plus 80 equal to 0, x is equal to 20 or x is equal to minus 80. Minus 80 is not the answer, so we get the x is 20 is the answer. Other one is x minus 2 is 8, means 20 minus 2 means 80 is the answer. Okay, two numbers are 20 and 80. Okay, this is the end of practice set. If like this video, please like and share this video to your friends and relatives, so they also get benefit from this. Thank you for watching. If you are not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video. Thank you friends. Thank you. See you in next video.